All right, guys, Jackie Dislova here from Western Massachusetts, and in this video, we're going to talk about Digize Vitality Essential Oil. And here is the Vitality Essential Oil that is 100% pure therapeutic grade and used as an essential oil supplement. So before I begin, I want to talk about this disclaimer. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This information is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. This information is not intended or implied to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, please consult your physician before using these products. All right, here is their logo, the Young Living logo, Seed to Seal Quality Commitment. It's been established since 1994. Before I begin, I just want to talk about the different categories of oils. So all oils in the world actually fall into one of four categories: authentic, manipulated, perfume, or synthetic. Authentic means that the oils are 100% pure with no added synthetics or other species in the bottles. These are Young Living oils. Manipulated means that the final product has been made to smell more pleasing and less earthy. Some of the heavier molecules have been stripped out or another species introduced to enhance the aroma. Perfume oils are not pure. They are mixed with synthetics to enhance the aroma. And these oils have no therapeutic action. Frequently, solvents are used to extract the plant. Synthetic oils are not true oils at all. They smell nothing like the original plant and are typically labeled as scented products. These are synthetic. So, authentic is the only true pure oil. Synthetic oils would be like opening up your fridge, taking a glass of orange juice and diluting it 95% before you drink it, and diluting it with chemicals. It just wouldn't have the same benefits of a full glass of only orange juice. So that's why you want authentic oils, such as Young Living's. So before you purchase, check to see if the company grows their own plants, has seed to seal, and controls the entire process from the farm to the sealed bottle. And actually, pesticides, pollution, previously farmland, all of it can actually affect the quality of an oil. So why would you go the extra step of using an oil to get away from a chemical only to use an oil laden with chemicals? It makes no sense. So for example, if you walk into a grocery store and look at a box of cereal, you'll see nutrition facts on the side. However, there are no nutrition facts inside of oils. That means you have to trust the source and you have to know the company you are purchasing from. So what sets Young Living aside? It's their seed to seal process. It's the promise of purity. You can actually learn more about their seed to seal at seedtoseal.com. So all of Young Living oils are shipped from around the world to Spanish Fork, Utah, where they actually run through vigorous 8-point testing to ensure purity. Those tests are run in triplicate at the farm at Spanish Fork and a third time before bottling. It's why Young Living has never had a recalled essential oil and more than 2 decades of business. You definitely can trust their integrity. So Seed to Seal is based on 3 pillars: sourcing, science, and standards. Young Living oils are tested by scientists with over 180 years of combined lab experience. They also do third-party testing with 2 accredited, respected, independent labs. So Young Living's seed to seal process is a promise of integrity. There are no pesticides used, no artificial fertilizers, and no weed killers. The plants are harvested at their peak and they are then put through a vigorous testing process. Then they go from the farm directly to your home. So seed to seal is not a slogan, it's a promise. So Digize essential oil. Let's dig into this. So this blend actually combines tarragon, ginger, peppermint, juniper, lemongrass, anise, and patchouli oils for a spicy, exotic, aromatic blend. It also contains fennel essential oil, which people have used for a broad range of purposes since the ancient Egyptians. So to enjoy the rich, calming scent of Digize, you can actually diffuse it into your home, office, or car. I personally don't really care for the smell, but you can also apply it directly to your chest, wrist, and abdomen to enjoy its scent wherever you go. So here are some ideas for applications. You can actually apply it topically after meals to enjoy the crisp but comforting aroma. Add it to the V6 vegetable oil complex, which is actually carrier oil, for soothing abdominal massage. And you can actually use Digize in your wellness regimen. And you can actually also apply a few drops to your hands and inhale for a refreshing, calming scent. So where to diffuse? You can take off with this grounding blend when hanging out on family vacations. You can permeate the family room with a sweet and earthy aroma for a moment of gatherness after dinner, and you can actually hit the road with a USB diffuser and take advantage of this relaxing scent. Experience. So Digize Essential Oil Blend has a spicy exotic scent that is great for diffusing before or after large meals or applying topically to the abdomen for a calming aromatic experience. And here are some ideas for directions topically and aromatically. You can actually dilute one drop of essential oil with 1 drop of V6 or olive oil and apply it to desired areas needed. And you can actually diffuse up to 30 minutes 3 times daily. So cautions, you want to keep out of reach of children. For external use only, keep away from eyes and mucous membranes. And again, if you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, please consult a health professional prior to use. You want to avoid direct sunlight or UV rays for up to 12 hours after applying product. Here is some lovely product background information on Digize. So Digize is formulated to provide a calming aromatic experience. Tarragon, ginger, peppermint, juniper, lemongrass, anise, patchouli, and fennel essential oil gives this exclusive blend a warm and spicy scent that is both exotic and comforting. Again, you have to, for me, I had to build up on the smell. But the peppermint in Digize provides a slightly cool fragrance to the otherwise spicy scent. And the complex aroma of Digize actually comes from the variety of oils in the blend. Tarragon and ginger provide the herbaceous and spicy undertones, while juniper and patchouli combine for a calming aroma. And Digize Essential Oil Blend actually joined the Young Living family in 1994. And again, here is the lovely Digize Vitality Essential Oil. It's 100% pure, therapeutic grade, and you can use it as an essential oil supplement. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. Take care and God bless.